Okay, how to round numbers. Remember that rounding numbers is done so that we can estimate a particular value of a calculation. So then we can determine whether the calculated value, that is the value on the calculator, is the correct value we've calculated and not some sort of mistake because we've pressed the button twice or 3 times by accident, or we've entered the correct value. So before we get into how to round, let's have a look at number place values. For you guys, it's a recap. So we have 4 numbers here. Starting at the right hand side, the number on the right hand side are referred to as the units. So we have 5 units. The 4 is the number of tens. So we have 4 tens in that number. In other words, there's a 40 in that number. So now we have a 5 and a 40. We have a 45 at the end. The 8 is the number of hundreds. So we have 800, 4 tens, and 5 units. And then the 2 is the thousands. So our number is 2 thousands, 8 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 units. All right, let's get into it. So we want to round this number to the nearest 10. So let's identify the 10 first. And the 10 there is in that position. Now when you want to round to the nearest 10, you look at the number to the right hand side of it, which is the 5. And there's a rule. If it's 5 or more, you raise the score. That means the 10 value will raise up. Or if the circled number is 4 or less, you let the 10 value rest. In this case, the number that's circled is 5 or more, so that means we add 1 to the number we're looking at, which is the 10 value, the 40. So our answer will be 2850. There's another way of looking at this, and this might help some of you. So if I look at a number line, we're looking to round it to the nearest 10. So my 10 value is, it's a 40. So we're looking at 2,840. And the number we have there is between 2,840 and the next jump of 10, or the next leap of 10, which is 2,850. So the idea here is we're looking for where that number is in the number line. It's smack bang in the middle of it. And if it's in the middle of it, it means we round up to 2850. So our answer is 2850. Let's go again. Second example. So we want to round this to the nearest 10. Your first step, identify where the 10 is. Look to the right of it, circle that value. And remember the rule. If that circled value is 5 or more, you raise the score. If that circled value is 4 or less, you leave it rest. And when we talk about raising the score or letting it rest, we're looking at the number that the arrow is pointed to. So in this case, we're looking at the 9. All right, look at the circle, so, and it's 4 or less, so that means the 9 is going to stay where it is, and we end up rounding down to 5960. Back to the second way of looking at it, and it's your choice which way you look at it. Either way is correct so long as you get the correct answer. All right, so we're looking to round it to the nearest 10. So that number is somewhere between 5690 and 5700, because those are the leaps of 10 which are on either side of the number. The number is in that position approximately, and that's closer to 5690, so we'll end out rounding down to 5690. Okay, that's video 1. We'll have a look at video 2 in a moment.